Mindray, healthcare within reach. Replacing aTD60 on a 1U Gen10 server, version R3 or greater. To begin, we must first remove the problematic TD60 from Benevision. Select the Device Management tab. Locate the problematic TD60 from the device list and select the minus button to remove it. Please note, removing from the server will automatically delete its configuration on all workstations. This needs to be manually added back once it's replaced. Once removed, we may now begin the process of replacing the TD60. The cloning procedure will require 2 telemetry transmitters. On the right is the factory default replacement TD60 provided by Mindray. We'll call this TD60B. On the left is a hospital-configured TD60 currently running. We'll call this TD60A. The first step will be to power on both telemetry devices by inserting the battery, like so. Wait for the boot process to complete. Once running, on TD60A, select Yes twice to create a new patient. With the hospital's configuration already in place, we will now clone this device to TD60B. To begin this process, first select the preferred language on TD60B. From the options Import Settings and Initial Setup, we will select Import Settings. But before doing so, we need to synchronize the setup. On TD60A, select Menu, scroll down to Maintenance, enter your current password and select Accept or contact tech support for further assistance. In Maintenance, select Defaults. From here, we will wait to select Export Settings and move back to TD60B. You may now select Import Settings on TD60B. In the device name field, you can either keep the serial number as a device name or rename it to match the sequence of your hospital. For this example, we will name it TD60B. Select Accept when done. Then select Import Device Settings for it to begin searching for its host. On TD60A, you may now select Export Device Settings to begin searching. Once the device is located, you will see the TD60B appear on the Devices Found list. Select the device's checkbox and select Export to begin the cloning process. You will see Download Complete appear on the TD60B when it's finished, and it will go through an automatic reboot to complete the cloning process. TD60A can be put away since it has served its purpose. We will now need to make our way in front of the central station to add the new device. While having TD60B up and running with its current display, connect the TD60 to the central station using the TD60 programming cable attached to it. We will now proceed within Benevision's graphic user interface. Use the arrows to navigate and find the Telemetry tab. In Telemetry options, from the left column, select Frequency Setup. Select it again in the table to open up the Frequency Configuration tool. In the top right corner of the tool, select Scan the frequency information. You will then see a list of all added devices. From the list, search for and select the bad tele. Then select Program. You may select OK since we are keeping the same frequency as the old TD60, which this is replacing. You will see the prompt say Program successfully, and you may now close out. At this point, the programming cable should be removed from the TD60. Check the list and notice how the name changes in the frequency just configured. It is now displaying the new device name, in this case, TD60B. You may now close out of the tele configuration tool. From the System Setup menu, select Device Management. Select the refresh button to update the list and locate your new device by its name, which in this case is TD60B. Then select the green plus icon to add the device. Once the status says Online, your TD60 replacement at your central station is now complete. Proceed to add this device at the appropriate workstations. From Mindray, thank you for watching.